Today, we'll learn what load balancing is, how it works, and why it's so important for big websites like YouTube, Amazon, or Facebook. We'll also see how load balancing helps websites stay fast, even when millions of people use them at the same time. Have you ever wondered how huge websites like Instagram or Google never seem to crash, even when millions of people use them every second? The secret is something called load balancing. It's one of the smartest tricks used by websites to stay strong, fast, and always online. Let's explore how this works. Let's say you open a website. What happens? Your request goes to a computer called a server. The server gives you the website's page, pictures, and everything else. But what if too many people try to visit the same website at the same time? One server might get tired or even crash. That's where load balancing comes in to save the day. A load balancer is like a smart traffic cop for websites. When lots of users try to visit a site, the load balancer takes their requests and spreads them out across many servers. It doesn't let one server do all the work. Instead, it shares the work equally among many servers. This keeps the website running smoothly, even if thousands or millions of people are visiting it.
Hi, I am Imran Afzal. I make learning technology easy, even for beginners in IT. So I have over 25 years of experience in Linux administration, Windows, virtualization, and many more. I have taught millions of students worldwide.
Imagine a pizza shop with one chef. If only a few customers come in, everything is fine. But if 100 people walk in at the same time, the chef will get overwhelmed. Now imagine if the shop has 5 chefs and each one gets 20 customers. That's much easier. Load balancing works the same way. It gives each server a fair amount of work so no server gets too tired. One of the best things about load balancing is that it helps websites scale. Scaling means growing bigger when more users come in. Let's say your website is getting popular. Instead of buying one super powerful server, you can add more normal servers and use a load balancer to manage them. This way, your website becomes stronger step by step. It's like building more roads to handle more traffic. There are different types of load balancing, and each one works in a unique way. The most basic type is round robin. It sends requests one by one to each server, like taking turns. First server 1, then server 2, then server 3, and then back to server 1. This keeps things fair. Another type is least connections. This one checks which server is handling the fewest users and sends the next request there. That way, it avoids sending more traffic to busy servers. Sometimes a load balancer can also look at the server health. If a server is down or too slow, the load balancer won't send any traffic to it. This means users don't have to deal with slow or broken pages. It keeps everything fast and smooth. There are 2 main kinds of load balancers, hardware and software. A hardware load balancer is a physical device that sits in a data center. It's strong and powerful, but it can be expensive. A software load balancer is a program that runs on a server. It's more flexible and cheaper, and many websites today use software load balancers because they can run in the cloud. Speaking of the cloud, load balancing is a big part of cloud computing. Cloud companies like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure use load balancers to keep their services fast and reliable. When websites run in the cloud, load balancing helps them add or remove servers automatically based on how many people are visiting the site. By the way, we offer multiple services along with plenty of IT-related courses. Every course of ours will be worth your time and money. Make sure to check out our website, www.utclisolutions.com, for further information. The link is in the description box. Let's take a real-life example. Imagine an online store during a big sale. thousands of users come to the website to buy things. If the website only had one server, it would crash. But with load balancing, the website can handle all the traffic by using multiple servers. As more users come in, more servers can be added. When the sale ends and traffic goes down, some servers can be removed. This is called auto-scaling, and it saves both money and resources. Another great thing about load balancing is that it helps with security. Sometimes bad people try to crash a website by sending too many fake requests. This is called a DDoS attack. A good load balancer can detect this and block the fake requests while allowing real users to continue using the website without any problem. Load balancing also makes it easier to do maintenance. Let's say a server needs to be updated or fixed. You can take it offline without users noticing because the load balancer will send traffic to the other servers while that one is being worked on. Websites that have users from all over the world also use global load balancing. This means the load balancer sends users to servers that are closest to their location. If you live in India, it will connect you to a server nearby. If someone lives in the USA, they'll get connected to a server in the USA. This makes websites load faster no matter where you are. So the next time you visit a website and everything works perfectly, remember that there's a load balancer making it all happen.
If you enjoyed the lesson, please give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. My team and I have worked so hard to make learning simple for you. Thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together.